हम लोग डीआई इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स से रिलेटेड मेयरिंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट की ELTR 233 की नई सीरीज़ शुरू करने जा रहे हैं। ठीक है ना। मेयरिंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट की क्या डेफिनेशन होती है? इसकी डेफिनेशन होती है, इट इज़ सच अ टाइप ऑफ डिवाइस in which we measure the electronics and electrical quantities, current, voltage, resistance, capacitance, inductance. So this device is known as measuring instrument. RAM type digital voltmeter क्या होता है? It is such a type of digital instrument which measures the input voltage after comparing with RAM voltage and indicate reading on its screen in the form of digit is known as RAM type of digital voltmeter. ये इसकी ब्लॉक डायग्राम है। ठीक है, इसमें ब्लॉक्स बने हुए हैं। एक ऑल्टरनेटर का होता है, एक रैम्प जनरेटर का होता है, सैम्पलिंग का होता है, दो ऑपरेशनल एम्पलीफायर होते हैं, क्लॉक पल्स होती है, ये क्लॉक पल्स होती है। उसके अलावा स्टार्ट स्टॉप गेट होता है, डिस्प्ले होता है और काउंटर होता है। वर्किंग प्रिंसिपल इसका क्या होता है? Working principle is कहते हैं when voltage applied at its input, then these voltages applied on the positive terminal of the operational amplifier by the alternator. During this process, no ramp voltage is present on its negative terminal, by which it provides start pulse to an AND gate, and through this ramp generates start pulse to produce ramp voltage. By standing the AND gate, clock pulse start to move towards the counter and counter to start to count these pulses. Counter count the clock pulses till that the time when the ramp voltage will become equal to the input voltages. On equal this voltage operational amplifier to produce stop pulses at which the AND gate of the clock pulses stop to move from the oscillator. At that time multivibrator provides signal to count by which counted data by the counter show in the form of number. दूसरा क्या टॉपिक है? दूसरा टॉपिक है कैलिब्रेशन। ये एक ऐसा प्रोसेस होता है in which for achieving the correct reading compare the reading with a standard instrument and then create the scales and do proper numbering. So this process is known as calibration. It is necessary for using the instrument must be calibration. Explain the standard of calibration. Calibration standards mean that the physical representation of measured unit standard is such a physical device that the correct properties. There are such companies in all over the world which provide the calibration facilities. These companies have on their standards. These companies provide their National Bureau of Standards. These are following type of calibration standards which are given below. International standards, primary standards, secondary standards and working standard. Explanation इसकी क्या होती है? These are These are such standards which are created by the international compromises, and these standards are made by the international compromises, and these standards are made by the International Bureau of Weights and Measures. These standards are checked at specific time according to the basic unit is international standards. Second क्या होता है? These are such standards which are maintained by the National Standards Laboratory. National Bureau Standards is possible to maintain these primary standards. These are not available for the external national laboratories. The major function of this standard is the calibration. Certification of the secondary standard is called as primary standards. थर्ड वन क्या है? थर्ड वन होता है इसमें सेकेंडरी स्टैंडर्ड्स। सेकेंडरी स्टैंडर्ड क्या होता है? These are such a basic reference standards which are used in industrial measurement. Laboratory standards are maintained by the comparison with the primary standard. Working standard की क्या होता है? Function. These are such standards that are used for checking instrument. These standards are also maintained by the comparison with secondary standards. Thank you so much.